In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people in Basecamp. If you're looking to streamline collaboration and communication in your team or with your clients, learning how to invite others to your Basecamp account is essential. So, let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, start by navigating to your home screen in Basecamp. This is your central hub, the launching pad for everything you're going to do today, and where you'll find all the setups for your projects and team management. Once you're on the home screen, you'll want to look for the Invite People button, which is usually located towards the top of the screen. It's hard to miss, as Basecamp makes it pretty straightforward to bring new users on board. Click on that Invite People button, and you'll be presented with options to designate the role or type of person you're inviting. This step is crucial as it determines the kind of access and permissions the new user will have. You'll see a few different options. If you're inviting an employee, that's someone within your organization who will have more access. They'll be able to create projects, add additional people, and even have admin privileges if you choose to grant them. This role is ideal for team members who need to be in the loop with everything, from project management to team communication. If you're working with outside collaborators, the right choice here is to select this option. Outside collaborators could be partners, contractors, or guests. Pretty much anyone who isn't a regular employee but still needs access to collaborate effectively. They'll have limited access compared to employees, which is perfect for maintaining necessary privacy while still getting the job done. Lastly, if you're bringing a client on board for transparency or project updates, select the client option. Clients can access only the projects you specifically assign to them. Unlike employees and collaborators, they can't add people or administer any settings themselves, maintaining the level of control you need over your Basecamp environment. With the role selected, if you need to add multiple individuals, click the plus button. Basecamp understands that team expansions can occur, and they make it seamless to onboard many people at once. For each person, simply fill in their name, email address, and you can even add an optional note if there's something specific they should know right away. Once everything looks good, the last step is to click Email Invitation Now. This action sends out the invitations to join your Basecamp team, so each individual can set up their own accounts and get started. And there you have it, a clear and easy process to inviting people to Basecamp. Now, you can efficiently manage your projects and enhance your team's productivity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow us for more tips and tutorials.